on Aimsir Fháistineach, the future tense. Dúshaigh mé ar a hocht a clog amárach. I will wake up at 8 o'clock tomorrow. Osclóigh mé mo chúla amárach. I will open my eyes tomorrow. I roigh mé as an labba amárach. I will get up out of the bed tomorrow. Cuirfidh mé méadaí orm amárach. I will put my clothes on me tomorrow. Ceanglóigh mé mo bhróga amárach. I will tie my shoes tomorrow. Níigh mé maig agus mo lámha amárach. I will wash my face and my hands tomorrow. Tramóigh mé féin amárach. I will dry myself tomorrow. Cíorfaidh mé mo ghrúig amárach. I will comb my hair tomorrow. Rachigh mé go dtí an chiste amárach. I will go to the kitchen tomorrow. Suigh mé ag an mbord amárach. I will sit at the table tomorrow. Ísigh mé mo bhricfeasta amárach. I will eat my breakfast tomorrow. Ólaigh mé té amárach. I will drink tea tomorrow. Éistigh mé leis an radio amárach. I will listen to the radio tomorrow. Gheoithigh mé mo bhála scoile amárach. I will get my school bag tomorrow. Fágigh mé mo theach amárach. I will leave my house tomorrow. Rathóigh mé ar scoil amárach. I will cycle to school tomorrow. Shruigh mé an scoil ag an 9 amárach. I will arrive at the school at 9 tomorrow. Buailfidh mé le mo chairde amárach. I will meet with my friends tomorrow. Cluisigh mé an clog amárach. I will hear the bell tomorrow. Siúlfidh mé isteach sa rang amárach. I will walk into the classroom tomorrow. D'éirigh mé mo fadracha amárach. I will say my prayers tomorrow. Scríobhigh mé I mo chóplabhar amárach. I will write in my copybook tomorrow. Féachigh mé ar an gláirbán amárach. I will look at the whiteboard tomorrow. Imreoidh mé péal ag amlón amárach. I will play football at lunchtime tomorrow. Philligh mé ar an rang an sin amárach. I will return to the classroom then tomorrow. Tógigh mé síos an obair bhaile amárach. I will take down the homework tomorrow. Chuckigh mé a bhaile ag a trí amárach. I will come home at 3 tomorrow. Déanaigh mé mobair bhaile amárach. I will do my homework tomorrow. Cabhróidh mé le maithair sa gáirdeán amárach. I will help my father in the garden tomorrow. Béirigh mé ar mo sleath iascaireacht amárach. I will grab my fishing rod tomorrow. Imóigh mé ag iascaireacht amárach. I will go off fishing tomorrow. Feicigh mé áilleacht an dúlra amárach. I will see the beauty of the countryside tomorrow. Tuairfidh mé bia don bhadra amárach. I will give food to the dog tomorrow. Féachigh mé ar an telefís amárach. I will watch the telly tomorrow. Léigh mé mo leabhar nua amárach. I will read my new book tomorrow. Beg me Tirshuk amorach. I will be tired tomorrow. Cudloig me gusav amorach. I will sleep soundly tomorrow.